East Peter Salasya owethuolo gi rambun mar siling 200,000 bang' kano chwale duma milimani Nairobi kawuono. Salasya osebede od ang'ech kuom ndalo 3 nyaka nyocha make tich juma mokalo. Itudo kode gi ketho mag siayo jopiny kendo weche manyalo kelo tungni e kind oganda. Salasya owethuolo bang' chwalo kwayo ne doho ni obiro luwo kenge duto e kinde manonro dhi nyime ewi weche ma itude godo.
Public of Kenya, knowingly and intentionally published.
I'm appearing alongside the learned prosecution has raised 2 issues.
They have already raised issues with the issue of personal bond and invited this court to balance all the interests. Since the bond terms are not opposed, I'm minded to grant the accused person bond as follows. Is admitted to a surety bond of Kenya shillings 500,000 in the alternative cash bail of 200,000. There are 2 other issues which has been raised. The first one is about violation of accused rights in the courts of arrests, as well as another application to have arms assigned to the accused security details returned. I will reserve my ruling on that 2 aspects, and I will deliver the ruling on the 4th of June.
Jahala kendo jasiasa makasi Paul Philip Haroko